Hey y'all, my name is Kori Ashton. Welcome to a bonus video this week. Y'all, if you've been watching my channel for a few weeks now, you know I've been bragging about LearnDash. When you're ready to get your courses online using WordPress, this is the best, hands down, the best learning management system for you to plug in. So what I wanted to show you though is you can see a live preview of this, right? If you come here, click on live preview up here, it'll take you over to the kind of a demo site where you can play around with a paid course preview. Take a look at what that would look like for your students, your customers to come in and explore a paid course, right? You can come in here and play with what it would look like to present a video driven course, right? You can really see how cool this is, how they would be able to walk through each and every topic and be able to learn things, take a course on things, walk through your entire course, go through each lesson easily and quickly. You even have a tab over here to show them what type of materials or resources they'll need as they're walking through this course. Just a really cool option here for you to play around with LearnDash and actually see what it's like for your customers to come into your site once you install LearnDash and have all of your courses available. But did you know that they have an option now for you to try it for yourself? You can take it for a test spin. See this up here on the top, it says view a demo site. That's actually try before you buy. This is it. You drop in your email, Kori@askKori.com, right? Check this out. If you want to receive news and updates about the products, you can do that. Get instant access. Watch this magic happen, y'all. We're building your sandbox. It actually just takes about 30 seconds. It's just going to build it out for you. It's actually building out a totally separate sandbox WordPress website. And you're going to be able to play with every premium feature that LearnDash offers. So you're going to come in here and have a full-blown, ready-to-go LearnDash experience. Check this out. This sandbox is fully ready to go. It's got some demo content inside of here, some students in here, so that you can just kind of play around, tinker, and see what it would feel like to install this on your WordPress website. One of the best resources that I think comes inside of this plugin is a step-by-step walkthrough on how to create your course. I don't know too many plugins that do this, but this plugin does it. And that's because this is a plugin developed by educators for educators. They understand what it is to come in here and have to learn how to use a plugin. So they're teaching you how to use their plugin with their own tools. So really, really cool. I love that they practice what they preach. They've got all of these options in here. And so you're just going to be able to come in here and watch each video to understand how to sell your courses, to understand how to set them up, to understand how to set up the registration and different levels for your different courses. You can have free, you can have premium, you can do quizzes, certifications, memberships. It's just really, really phenomenal plugin. And if you're looking for a free version, there's not a free version of LearnDash. But this is a free demo for you to be able to go play with and just really understand what it's capable of doing all inside of a totally free staging environment. So I will put the link to that in the description box below. Again, if you go over here to the live preview, it's this little blue button as of today up here in this top right-hand corner that says view a demo site. You'll drop that in there, drop in your email address, and you are able to go tinker and play. Y'all, I'm going to put a couple of links in the description box below. One over to LearnDash's website with all the cool demo links and the ability for you to go test and play and try it for yourself. I'm also going to put a link in there over to my website where you can find over 500 other tutorials for you. All video tutorials that are going to help you improve your online marketing inside the world of WordPress. Y'all, this is all in the budget of free. I hope you click like and subscribe and hang out with me next week. I'll see you then. Bye, everyone.